Today, I'm introducing you to a business that can allow you to generate $10,000 every month. A SaaS that brings in $10,000 each month. You've probably seen the recent buzz, with social media flooded with Ghibli-style images. Well, today you can easily launch your own business because all the tools are available. I'm going to show you next how to do it very easily. The tools are available, and OpenAI has released the GPT Image 1 API, which means you can really start this business easily and very quickly. There's demand for it, and when there's demand, all you have to do is serve the customer and make money. So stay with me until the end. I'm going to share step by step how to do it. And as I've always said, here we don't start a business before finding clients. Here we first analyze the market, find the clients, their volume, where they are, before we start working to serve them. That's it, it's Boompath. You already know Boompath AI, right? So I'm coming here. There you go, business idea research. Here, there are all the categories, but right here, you see easy to launch AI business. And you'll see Ghibli here. So I click on that. And I do the search. Okay, so I display the related businesses. We wait for it to process. And you see, right, it already suggests keywords for you. You see here, Studio Ghibli AI. 14,800 monthly searches on Google in the United States alone, with a difficulty level of 12 out of 100. The cost per click is 0.78, which is really interesting. Okay, we see other related keywords next to it. Ghibli AI image generator 2,419. Studio Ghibli AI art, okay, 880 level, 28C, etc. But look at this keyword. Look at this keyword with 14,800 searches per month. Difficulty 12. That's very interesting. You see, create a SaaS platform that will use artificial intelligence to generate Ghibli-style images. So the user can input ideas or themes, and the AI will generate Ghibli-style images, right? But I suggest that moving forward, we add a feature that's like a filter. The person uploads their photo, and we return a Ghibli-style image, okay? So I click here, and I'm going to do, okay, Ghibli business. Okay, so I create the project, and there you go. So now I arrive here. So let me quickly remind you that Boompath is a platform that guides you step by step in creating your SaaS in a gamified way. It starts with researching the business idea, market analysis to see if it's a viable business, and will assist you step by step all the way to showing you the necessary tools for coding with ready-made scripts that will help you speed up, save time, and launch your business very quickly. So these are the different steps. Then after launching your business, content creation will generate highly optimized articles based on keywords, okay? Here, it's about link research, all right? You know that to rank in SEO, you need links. So Boompath helps you find links to distribute in directories, okay? And optimization. So it's really from A to Z all the way to the success of your business. So when you first arrive, everything is locked here. You can't start yet. First you have to analyze the business. So that's how it works. So we're going to analyze it. Okay, so we'll look at the SWOT analysis, competitor research, etc., etc. There you go. So that's how it works. The nice boomer who's looking for insights. There we go. Okay. So here, this is the analysis lab for your business. So I click here. So here, the market viability score is 7 out of 10. That's already not bad. Okay. So the analysis or other information you have here, opportunities, strengths, and weaknesses. Okay, so I continue with the target. The target study. So we mainly have 3 target audiences. All right. Anime fans, manga fans, okay, digital artists, and content creators. These are the 3 main targets. Okay. And here we're going to look at the common problems these targets have. All right. They're looking for quality, variety, easy to use creative tools. Okay, customization options. Right? So I'll continue. I'm going to save the features, okay, the functionalities that the application must have here as well. We need to be able to generate thematic Ghiblis. Okay, have a level of emphasis. Okay, export in multiple resolutions. Okay, character creation. Okay, ability to share generated images within the community. All of these are suggested features. Okay, and here we have the prioritization of features. Okay, for creating the MVP. Okay, so now this is the competition analysis. Here we have Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, Novel AI. Okay, so here we have the gap. Okay, so as you saw, the competition above is a bit generalist. They handle almost every type of image. We, on the other hand, are going to offer a dedicated Ghibli tool. Okay, all right. Besides that, there will be the possibility to share within the community. So the images, people, users generate images, and those images can be published under certain conditions. That's it. So that the community can see the creations. It brings things to life, and that's interesting for the business. So we're going to click save and continue. And here is the business summary. There you go. We already had a brief summary here during the creation phase, but now, after the analysis, it will provide you with a much more detailed summary of this business. So it's a platform that will use artificial intelligence to create Ghibli-style images, targeting manga fans, digital artists, content creators, and so on, to offer them a high-quality tool that allows Ghibli-style images to be generated very quickly. We have the main differentiating factor. Okay, this will make it very easy to use. There are no hacks required. When you upload your image, it gives you a Ghibli-style result. And now we're getting into monetization a bit, so we can offer free use but with limitations. Okay, and offer pricing starting at around $9 per month. Okay, up to $49. All right, and importantly, he emphasizes again the creation of a community around the platform. All right, so here we complete the analysis and we redone. Okay, so now I can go check out the project details. Here is my entire summary here. 14,800 monthly searches. Incredible. 12 in difficulty. This keyword is truly a gem, and you can really build a business around it. All right, so you can find your summary here. Okay, now a disclaimer nonetheless. This is a trending thing. Okay, when there's a wave like this rising, I can't guarantee that in 2 or 3 years there will still be as much interest around this Ghibli concept. So of course you can start your business, but you know very well that trending things often lose momentum afterwards. Okay, but the need is still there, because in a way it's the democratization of a need that already existed. Content creators will always use it, and it still represents a significant market. Okay, now if after hearing the idea you decide to actually launch your business, you'll come here, you'll click here. So you're going to find it a name. This is the place where you come up with a truly final name for the business. find a domain name, register the domain name, review the features. Okay? All right? And here, choose your development path. If you want to code your application yourself using AI, if you want to use ready-made scripts, Boompath offers really easy scripts at this stage. You just have to buy and install it, connect the APIs, and you can start selling within minutes. Okay? All right? So really, that's pretty much it. That's the SaaS idea I wanted to share with you today. We'll see each other again very, very soon for a new video. Don't hesitate to subscribe. If you're interested in starting a SaaS business, making money in the field of artificial intelligence, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel because that's all we talk about here. We talk about AI, business, and making money. See you very soon for a new video. Bye.